Hey guys, thought I would shoot a quick tip today. I just recently picked up, well, just recently started getting into whittling and carving in general. So I picked up some chip carving knives and a few other things. And these are okay enough knives, but one thing I just cannot stand is pretty much anytime you buy anything with a wooden handle these days, it's going to come with this like awful plasticky like poly coating on it, and it's super super uncomfortable and it just feels like garbage. So whether it be a hammer, knife, whatever, the first thing I always do is scrape all of this off and put a coat, like a good coat of BLO on, boiled linseed oil. It makes a huge difference in the comfort and the grip and just the way a tool feels in your hand. It takes almost no time. I'm just going to grab a card scraper and just really quickly knock this off, coat it with some BLO, let it dry, and the difference, it's like an order of magnitude better. Suddenly it feels like a tool instead of a toy. The grip is better, it wears better, it's more comfortable, and it just doesn't feel like cheap plastic garbage. Okay, I'm just going to knock this down real fast to get rid of any fuzzies from the scraper. So serve this at a minor to pretty careful. All done. That feels so much better. And I'm just going to do that to the rest of these, but I won't make you stick around for that. So if you like this tip, please like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, I'll talk to you later, YouTube.